You see farm animals on the train. Look at the cow. Look at the cow, moo, 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 riding the train just for you. Then sheep on the train. Here comes the sheep, ba, 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 waving hello, ha, ha, ha. And goat on the train. See the goat, bleat, 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 chewing grass, so neat, so sweet. Then horse on the train, a happy horse, neigh, 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 running fast in a joyful way. Then chicken on the train, cluck, cluck, chicken, what a sight, pecking grains, oh what delight. Then dog on the train, woof, woof, doggy, full of cheer.